Alright folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. We are doing a road trip today. I'm actually going solo. I don't know why I said we. I am solo today. All the field agents were preoccupied on other things, but I am headed to Charlotte, North Carolina. I've been on the road about an hour, and we're gonna go look at a cool old car. Kind of cue you in, I guess, the title of the video. Maybe the title of the video will give it away, but we'll drive down here and look at a cool old hot rod. It's not really a hot rod, just an old car. But see if we can make a deal with the guy and purchase it. Stay tuned. By the way, the wind is blowing like crazy. I got a short bed truck, short bed Ram with an empty trailer, empty open trailer. See it right there. And the wind is just blowing me all over the road. Must be 20 mile an hour or higher. Ooh, making for a difficult trip, especially when I was back closer to Greensboro. Man, it was tight traffic through there, but anyway, we're headed on to Charlotte. All right, I had to stop up here at the Sheets. I don't even know what town I'm in before you get to Charlotte. Had to take care of my bladder, and I'm gonna treat myself to a pita wrap. You ever had one of these? These are delicious. I think we got about 80 more miles to go to get to where this vehicle is at. Let me finish up my little lunch break here, and I'll get back on the road. Yeah, that is definitely a little bit more of a gold than it looks in the pictures.
It looks like kind of goldish bronze, sort of.
Yeah, it does. You're right. Okay. At least nobody drilled any holes to put a spoiler on it. Huh? So nobody drilled any holes to put a spoiler.
Yeah. I like something that's cut from factory.
I do too, yeah.
And I don't like to buy something that's in, like I said, it's in primer or something. You can't tell what you get.
Right. I agree. Well, we're driving it. It definitely needs a front end line. He said he put ball joints and bushings in it. It's got a little bit of shake in it. That's probably because the tires are cold. He said it had new tires. It's got new tires on it. New tires and rims. It's got Magnum 500s on it. New disc brake conversion on the front. Pedal seems a tiny bit soft. Maybe to adjust that with the rear drums. I'm gonna turn you loose while I maintain this car. Well, we couldn't make a deal. He wanted 20 grand for it, and I'm at 14. Car is a good original Survivor car, and I believe a Satellite Sebring original Survivor car is worth about 14. Don't believe it's worth 20, but he may prove me wrong. Anyway, headed home. Couldn't make a deal, guys. I'm sorry. That's a shame. That was a cool car.